Disassembling and reassembling a computer system is not as easy as you think. Because of this, I'll demonstrate how to accomplish it in today's video. To begin, remove the side cover of the system unit and place it aside first. After that, detach all the connectors on the motherboard, including the power cable, SATA cable, and HDMI cable. Then, remove the CPU fan. Then proceed removing the memory module. Loosen and remove the graphics processing unit or the GPU. After that, remove the motherboard by unscrewing it and pulling it out. Always remember to take additional precautions when handling the motherboard. After that, remove the power supply from the system unit by unscrewing the screws, holding it in place. And the final step, remove the CPU heatsink first, followed by the processor. Mount the fan to the heatsink and link it to the motherboard. Then with caution, insert the RAM into the system. After that, restore the power supply and tighten the screws. Then after, attach the side cover of the system case. Following that, carefully position the motherboard. Afterward, screw it to the system casing to ensure that it is protected. Then proceed connect the cables again. Then place your SSD. After that, install the GPU. Last but not the least, attach the other side cover of the system unit and you're done! Remember that suitable tools for the right job are crucial. Keep things organized and always be extra careful when you're disassembling and assembling your system case. Thanks for watching!
I got this passion.